Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Sir Roshihan Merikan bin Abdul Rahim Merikan. Before I start the presentation, let me introduce myself first. My name is Nurul Nazira binti Zulkifli and my fellow groupmates are Nur Syazwani binti Basharuddin, Nurul Atika binti Sazali, Nur Suzana binti Azman and Siti Rosita binti Makrahim. Today we will present about our group assignment. We have selected a well-established and a large company which is Nestle company. Okay, let's start. Part 1. Vision and Mission Analysis. First, I will explain about brief overview of Nestle. The founders of condensed milk company, Henry Nestle, developed a breakthrough of infant food in 1867. Then his company merged with Anglo-Swiss to form Nestle Group. Today, Nestle is the biggest multinational food and drinks processing company, headquartered in Vevey, Switzerland. They have employees around 291,000 people from more than 187 countries, and they have factories in almost every country in the world. They have great number of products including baby's food, coffee, cereals, chocolate and confectionery, frozen food, dairy products, bottled water, drinks product, ice cream, pet care, healthcare, nutrition, performance nutrition, instant food, seasoning and yogurt. Next, Nestle mission statement is the world's leading nutrition, health and wellness company. Our mission of good food, good life is to provide customer with the best tasting, most nutritious choices in a wide range of food and beverage categories and eating occasions from morning to night. This indicates that Nestle ranks their experiences of its customer at the top of its priorities. They ensure that their products comply with the minimum health standards and it is free from contamination. They believe that the physical, social and economic stability of people are important before other profiteering objectives. Nestle vision statement is to be a leading, competitive, nutrition, health and wellness company delivering improved shareholder values by being a preferred corporate citizen, preferred employees, preferred supplier, and selling preferred products. They want to be the leading company and delivering improved values. Moreover, Nestle managed to encourage the practices and emphasize on the presence of proper interrelationship between different parties. Next, we will move to the inferences about the strategies of Nestle in reference to their vision and mission statement. Nestle's success is built on its nutritious, health and wellness strategy as the founder believed that a good nutrition was the key to a healthy life. Until today, Nestle keeps providing the tastiest and healthiest choices while offering a wide range of affordable price, high quality and nutritious products. Their long-term success is by understanding and serving the customer by identifying the customer trends early as they know that the importance of having a good health. They believe that the long-term creation is the result of both growth and operating efficiency by investing selectively in high growth and geographies categories. The aim is to achieve this by focusing on the space business, active portfolio management, prudent investment, and research and development. They also connect with the young consumer in the digital space as well as partnering with key online retailers around the world.
Syazwani will continue our presentation. Part 2 External Assessment. Section 1 Identify Nestle opportunity and threat. Opportunity. There are 8 opportunities which is strong demand for 45 needs. Strong product continue to grow at double-digit rate. Demand for product that support health and immune system. Strong in frozen foods. Vegetarian and plant-based food product grow by 40%. E-commerce sales grow by 48.9%, reaching 12.4% of total gross sales. Increase of internet user and grow in environmental friendly product and service. The three is water and conventionally saw negative growth, high exposure to the out-of-home channel and on-the-go consumption. Foreign exchange reduced sales by 7%. The COVID-19 crisis has led to profound change in operating environment across market. Market saw slower growth in the second quarter. Consumer-facing marketing expenses decreased. new competitor within the industry, and more substitute products now available. This is TFE metric. We can see total weight score of 3.05 show that Nestle is responding above average to its external factor. So Nestle is doing pretty well, taking advantage of external opportunity and avoiding threats facing the firm and to their best. Now CPM, total score is simply the sum of all individual score for a company. The firm that receives the highest total score is relatively stronger than its competitor. The stronger performer in the market is Nestle 3.8. That's all from me.
Okay, after we identify the company's strengths and weaknesses, we will construct an IFE metric. As we can see in the table, this is the internal factor evaluation IFE metric for the Nestle company. After we list down the strengths and weaknesses for the Nestle company, we put its weights and its rating. After that, we multiply its weights and rating, and then we get the answer, which is the weighted score. The total is 2.53 after we sum all of the weighted score in strengths and weaknesses. Okay, for the conclusion, based on the IFE metric, as we can see in the table, it reveals the three most important factors to be successful for the Nestle company are the globally recognized brand, extensive product and brand portfolio, and well-established relationship and popular brands. Note, the company is doing best on has worldwide distribution line and manufacturing facilities are widely spread out. The company is having major problems with the legal and consumer issue and has low credit sales and profit margin to retailer. Overall, this company received 2.53 total weighted score, which on 1 to 4 scale is exactly average, indicating there is definitely room for improvement in company operation and strategies.
Okay, now we have a summary of all active financial ratio analysis for Nestle company and Nestle competitor which Hershey and PepsiCo. The first thing that jumps out is the low liquidity of the company. We can look at the current equity ratio from 2016 until 2019 and see that the liquidity is slightly decreasing in 2019 until 2000, but it is still very low. Nestle company have enough liquidity as said to cover its short-term liability. Okay, let's move on to the leverage ratio. Based on the diagram, debt to total assets are slightly increased from 2016 until 2018 and decreased a little bit in 2019. It shows that Nestle has a better performance compared to Hershey and PepsiCo has a lower performance. A ratio above 1.0 indicates that the company has more debt than assets. Next is debt to equity. It indicates that Nestle company debt to equity increased from 2016 until 2019. After that, long-term debt to equity ratio, Nestle company shows a negative performance where the long-term debt to equity ratio increased from 2016 until 2019. Okay, finally for leverage ratio is time interest earn ratio. As you can see, the interest earn ratio decreased from 2016 until 2019. Higher ratios are less risky while lower ratio indicates credit risk. So from the diagram, Nestle still have a better performance compared to Hershey and PepsiCo. Okay, after that is inventory turnover does not show much different from year to year and is now above from Hershey company. However, it's lower ratio if compared to PepsiCo. Okay, after that is fixed asset turnover ratio. Nestle company increased from 2016 until 2019. This means that Nestle has a lot of fixed asset and equipment that is productive. From 2016 until 2019, Nestle company shows a positive performance of total asset turnover ratio. That means Nestle doing well at generating revenue from its asset. Next is account receivable turnover. From 2016 until 2019, it shows an increase of Nestle ratio but decrease in 2019. After that is average collection period for Nestle company has gone down over time. So while they are able to turn inventories around quickly, they seem to have trouble collecting on these sales, although they are doing better than their competitor. That is profitability ratio. Based on gross profit margin, Based on the diagram, Nestle company doesn't show much change from 2017 until 2020. A lower gross profit margin means that the Nestle company did not perform well in managing its cost of sales. Nestle currently has a gross profit margin of 49.7% in 2019. Okay, next is net profit margin of Nestle company slightly increased from 2016 until 2019. As in terms of managing costs and expenses, the Nestle company is did better in 2019, and it present only 14% of sales in 2019. Okay. Then Nestle return on asset ROA slightly increased from 2016 until 2019. Based on ROE, it indicates that Nestle is less efficient in using the capital received from its owner to generate return on investment to the shareholders. After that is EPS. From the diagram, it indicates that Nestle company experienced increase in EPS. Nestle currently has EPS of 0.43% in 2019. Okay, the last is price earning ratios. Based on the diagram, Nestle company has high price earning ratio, which is 4,201.7 compared to Hershey, which is 1,487, and PepsiCo is 2,005. In general, a higher ratio means that investors anticipate higher performance and growth in future.
Hi and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Rosita binti Mak Rahim. So today I will explain about strategy analysis and conclusion. Firstly is strategy analysis, which is SWOT metric. First of all is strength. First, globally recognized brand. Nestle brand was most valuable brand in the world. Nestle also known well in global, include in Malaysian. Second is extensive product and brand portfolio. Nestle has wide product that allow to satisfy customer needs and wants. Second is weaknesses. First, competitor offer the similar product. When competitor offering the similar product, indirectly they also target the same target market and customer base. Next is price fluctuation. Economic world also will affect the price up and down. Third is opportunities. First, increase of internet use. This is will open to the retailer to boost its e-commerce sites and online shopping platform. Next is growth in environmentally friendly product and service. Nestle can introduce more healthy based food product. Lastly is threats. First is new competitor. Threats of entrant contribute to the competitor. Next is more substitute product. People are creative to create something new to attract the customers. Last but not least is conclusion. First, brand awareness. The brand awareness can help the company to introduce new product and sell it more easily. Next is creative and innovative. The company need to be creative and innovative to create the product to compete with the competitor. And technology changing. The company need to follow the technology changing, such as to reach the customer, especially to target the customer in rural area. And last but not least is focus on vision and mission. The company need to focus on vision and mission to achieve the successful beside to manage the weaknesses and grab the opportunity. That's all from us. Thank you for listening and stay safe.
Don't you worry, I'll be there.